Planning content across multiple platforms shouldn't feel like a scavenger hunt. 1 minute you're uploading an image to Instagram. Next, you're hunting for a caption in Google. Then you're resizing a video for LinkedIn. Too many tabs, too many steps, and somehow your posts are still late. It's a messy, time-draining process. This is exactly why Recurpost created the bulk scheduling feature. It lets you upload and schedule all your posts, images, videos, captions, links across every major platform in just a few clicks. And you do it all from one dashboard, without jumping between tools. Next, you can choose how you want your captions. You want the same caption for all platforms? That's one click. Need to tweak the tone for LinkedIn versus Instagram? You can customize captions for each platform right inside the editor. If you like spreadsheets, there's a CSV option too. Upload a sheet with your content, links, and media, and Recurpost turns it into scheduled posts instantly. Before anything goes live, you'll get to preview each post, exactly how it will look to your audience on different platforms. If you see something that needs fixing, just click to edit. Do you have evergreen content? You can set posts to repeat on your schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly. Running low on content? Use the built-in AI to whip up a caption or suggest a new visual. It's like a creative partner on demand. You can tag and filter your posts by campaign or platform, so finding and organizing content is super fast, even if you're working with hundreds of posts. Bulk scheduling saves you time, keeps your content pipeline full, and helps you stay consistent across platforms. It's flexible, fast, and fully customizable. Whether you're managing one brand or multiple clients, it helps you scale your content workflow without the stress. Want to get ahead of your content game? Start using Recurpost's bulk scheduling feature today with our 14-day free trial and feel the difference in your weekly workflow.